To perform the Neti Kriya, what I will do, I will pass water through one nostril and the water will come out through the other nostril. If the nostril passage is clear, then the water will come out smoothly. Afterwards, I will do the rubber neti, which is typically called sutra neti, but instead of sutra or cotton, I will use the rubber thread. Then it will be clearly understood whether there is any blockage in the nasal passage or not. So I'm starting through the right nostril. Here I'm doing Bhastrika. Bhastrika has to be performed so that there is no water blockage in this nasal passage. Bhastrika is nothing but the forceful inhalation and exhalation. So now I will do the rubber neti, and before passing this rubber thread through the nostrils, I will apply some ghee on that so that it can pass through smoothly. Yeah, I know it looks a little bit weird. So one side done. Now I will do the same thing on the left side. Before that, I will wash this rubber thread. Now on the left side. So rubber neti has been done through both nostrils. Now I'll again do the gel neti. Again here I am doing Bhastrika. Did you notice the difference of water flow? In the first chance, the water flow was not very well, but after the rubber neti was done, you have seen that the water flow was quite well because the passage was more clear. The same thing happens with our breath. If the passage is clear enough, then we can breathe well. If you keep the breathing channel clear, then you can easily and comfortably take a long deep breath. This ancient gel neti, rubber neti, and this thing probably you will find if you go to Thailand or Singapore or any modern hospitals. They suggest these things to their patients so that they can also have the benefit and get rid of a lot of problems.